All right, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon Thomas. I am a real estate investor here in Maryland, and I hope you're finding value in my channel, and I hope that you get value from this video as well. If I had to start over today with zero experience and little cash, here's exactly what I would do. If I had to start over in real estate today, no experience, no connections, and almost no money, here's exactly what I do to get to my first deal very fast. This is coming from someone who's been there. I started with nothing, made a ton of mistakes, and now I've closed a ton of deals. So if you're feeling stuck, this video is literally the blueprint I wish I had on day one. First, I'd commit to learning the language of real estate. When I was starting out, I didn't know what RV, wholesaling, or double closing even meant. But here's the thing, you don't need a degree. YouTube, podcasts, free meetups, it's all out there. I'd spend 1 week doing nothing but consuming free content and taking notes. Just one focused week so I could move from clueless to dangerously knowledgeable. Next, I'd pick one entry-level strategy. Most beginners fail because they try everything at once. If I had no cash, I'd start with wholesaling because there's no credit, no money, no risk. You're just finding deals and assigning them to a buyer for a fee. And if I was in a small market, I'd add driving for dollars, literally looking for distressed properties and contacting the owners. Keep it simple, one strategy, one focus, no shiny object. Now, here's the part most people get backwards. They hunt for deals without a buyer's list. If I had to start over, I'd reverse it, build my list first. I'd join a local Facebook group, go to local meetups, and call cash buyers from whatever online platform I'd be using. When you know exactly what buyers want, finding deals becomes 10 times easier. You're not guessing, you're just shopping for them. And once I had my list, I'd start making offers every single day. I'd pull a list of absentee owners or pre-foreclosures, call them, text them, knock on their door if I had to. My first 20 offers went absolutely nowhere. But offer 21, that was my first deal. The key is action, not fancy software, not perfect business cards, just conversations and offers. Once I got my first deal under contract, I'd use partnerships or hard money to fund it. I'd bring the deal, let an experienced investor bring the money, and we'd split the profits. That's how you learn and earn at the same time. And once you stack a few of these wins, you'll have enough confidence and cash to do your own deals. So if I had to start over from zero, I'd learn the basics, I'd pick one strategy, I'd build my buyers list, and I'd make offers every single day. And then I would leverage partnerships until I could stand on my own. You don't need a trust fund, you need focus and action. If you follow this blueprint, your first deal isn't a maybe, it's guaranteed. If you want more of a step-by-step real estate strategist, follow me on Instagram at Brandon Thomas Official. It's where I post almost daily some sort of real estate tip.